Hi. Today we are gonna be talking about ShrinkMe.io and Adfly. Before going to video, don't forget to like video and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. I'll give you some tips to earn money online. You only need to copy a link of a popular video, make it short on ShrinkMe.io, share the short link on Facebook, Instagram or your family and any more. That's all about what you should do to earn money. ShrinkMe.io is a URL shortener website that pays its users to send clicks to the short links. Anyone can join the site and get approval to start instantly. Every new user receives a $1 welcome bonus. ShrinkMe.io provides 5 main tools to make money: quick link, mass shrinker, full page script, developers API, bookmarklet. Users can make money by referring new members as well. ShrinkMe.io pays 20% of your referrals earnings. Users can make $2.50 to $22 for every 1,000 views on the links. Let's talk about how you can make money on ShrinkMe.io. Firstly, you need to choose a video to make its link short. Before choosing a video, you can go to Google Ads keyword ideas, type there a word, and if this word is popular, you can find a popular video about this word on YouTube or anywhere. For example, you can type there Minecraft because a lot of people playing this game, recording videos, watching video about it. I mean, Minecraft has a big online traffic. Now you can earn money from ShrinkMe.io, but you have to click on the shortened link to others. Thus, other people will go to the video in the link you shortened and you will earn money. Now let me tell you about ShrinkMe.io's withdrawal methods and minimum withdrawal amounts. PayPal, minimum withdrawal of $5 USD. Payer, minimum withdrawal of $5 USD. PayTM, minimum withdrawal of $5 USD. UPI, minimum withdrawal of $5 USD. Bitcoin, minimum withdrawal of $20 USD. Now I'm going to tell you how people who click on the link should be, what they should do and what you shouldn't do. Visitors must be unique within 24 hours. Visitors must have JavaScript enabled. Visitors must have cookies enabled. Visitors must have disabled ad block. Visitors should not use proxy or VPN. Visitor must reach the destination page. Don't try to use a click fraud because you can get banned. Your money will arrive in your bank account in about 1 to 2 hours and there is no limit to the money you can withdraw. You just need to have at least $5. There are many ways to make money online and there are even so many link shorteners where you can make money. Now, I'll tell you the other link shortener, Adfly. The core idea is the same. Post links somewhere you control, get clicks to those links, and get paid for those clicks. It's a low-level paid advertising scheme, not quite on par with CPC ads from Google or the like, but decent as a supplement. Unlike any other way to make money online, as an indication, commission per sale, or clicks and banners views, Adfly stands out for its simplicity. No need to refer anyone, convert a sale, or have clicks and views on your banner. Just have a shortened link and someone who wants to access it. No need to have a website or blog, profile on social network, channel on YouTube, or even disclosure. Of course, all of this boosts your earnings with Adfly, but all of this is optional. That is, anyone who signs up for Adfly can start make money with links without any knowledge of programming, marketing, websites and blogs. Here's the great advantage of using Adfly. It's friendly. Just by having one link and someone to visit you, you can already start earning a few cents, and with a good strategy, this can pay up to a few hundred a month. To get your Adfly earnings balance, your account needs to accumulate $5, so you can request payment in 24 hours or wait for the next business day of the following month that the payment is made automatically. As one of the biggest shortened monetized links on the internet, besides being active in the market for a long time, Adfly has very interesting differentials. Here are some of them. App for Android and iOS. Custom or dynamic domains. Customization of shortened links. efficient folder management, scripts and APIs for advanced users, integrated ad platform. In addition to the shortened links that you can put on your website blog, Adfly also lets you work with the Pop Ads template, which guarantees you an extra income for your project. In addition to the shortened links that you can put on your website blog, Adfly also lets you work with the Pop Ads template, which guarantees you an extra income for your project. Everything else in life, you do not make money out of the blue. Working with monetization of links through Adfly is like in any other form of earnings, it takes dedication, time and strategy. All the sites I showed you and all the methods work. We have come to the end of the video. If you watched until the end of the video, you can write "I watched" in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to be notified of new videos. Follow us to earn money online. See you later.